Hello students. In the last lecture we classified different kind of heterotrophs. We'll start from there because there is small addition which we have to do which contains 1 mark. Sometime the question comes. So we said heterotrophs further can be differentiated into saprophyte. Already I have explained it. The second one is the parasites, and the third one is holozoic. Already we have gone through it, but holozoic further can be differentiated into herbivores, now herbivores are the organism which actually takes herbs some or the other way or some or the other kind of the plants. And then we have carnivores and omnivores. So herbivores only take herbs or plants, eat herbs or plants. Carnivores eat flesh, and omnivores, they can eat flesh as well as the herbs or plants. So this is a differentiation. Sometimes 1 mark question comes from there. That is why I just taken it from the back. Next topic we will add in this lecture is nutrition in organism. Nutrition in organism. So basically we are discussing about holozoic organism. Organism चाहे अमीबा हो चाहे ह्यूमन, याद रखिएगा, from amoeba to human means simplest to most complex organisms. The nutrition occurs in 5 steps. 5 steps ये होने ही होने हैं, इसलिए इनकी डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर जरूरी है. 5 steps are required. Number 1 is ingestion. Ingestion simply means taking the solid food in the temporary or a permanent mouth with the help of limbs. So taking the food in temporary, like amoeba makes a pseudopodia covering around it, so it's not a mouth, it's a temporary structure. Taking the food with temporary in temporary or permanent mouth. Sometimes we have certain pseudopodia like structures, so sometimes the limbs are being utilized, right? So any way we take, that's called ingestion. Second is when it has gone into the body, then it starts digestion because of certain enzymes which are present. So what is digestion? Breaking of complex compound या food material या complex compound or complex food material into simplest ones by the action of enzymes, right? By the action of enzymes. कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स को सिंपलेस्ट में तोड़ना विद द एक्शन ऑफ एंजाइम. यहाँ पे वर्ड एंजाइम को हम क्लैरिफाई कर लेते हैं. मैं यही लिख देता हूं कि एंजाइम्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज बायो catalyst which alter the rate of reaction. Bio means biology, they are present inside the living organism. They do not directly participate in chemical reaction, but they enhances or sometime moderate the chemical reactions rate. So याद रखिए enzyme के ऊपर 1 mark question आ सकता है, तो we are clarifying over here. So third is when ingestion digestion is there, then absorption. Absorption का मतलब क्या है? हम जैसे कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिजम्स में ब्लड एक कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है, फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, जिसने हर सेल और हर पार्ट ऑफ द टिश्यू पर लेके जाना है डाइजेस्टेड फूड को. सो व्हेन द डाइजेस्टेड फूड गोज इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम, दिस इज कॉल्ड एब्सॉर्प्शन. सो व्हेन digested food goes into bloodstream, it is called absorption. It is called absorption. So remember, but in simplest organism where the blood is not present, the absorption step is actually deleted. Directly it goes to the cytoplasm and it is absorbed. It becomes a part of the cytoplasm. We'll discuss that. So these are first part, that's ingestion. The second is digestion. The third one is absorption. And the fourth point, let's discuss fourth step of the nutrition is, now your absorption has come. Now we come to assimilation. The fourth step is assimilation. What is assimilation? Now in our case, blood takes the digested food to the every cell. Where digested food actually is absorbed, is given to the cell, where it becomes a part of the cell and used for growth, repair and production of energy. And that process is called assimilation. So when digested food become the part of cell and is used for what? For repair. सेल अपने आप को रिपेयर करता है, for repair, growth and production of energy. The process is called assimilation. Okay, now come to fifth point. Now food is being utilized by the organism one way or the other for any kind of process, repair, growth or digestion. This is basically the metabolic functions. During the metabolic functions, there are many wastages which are produced also, which cannot be kept in the body. They will become the poison otherwise. So they have to be taken out, right? And the step is egestion. In egestion, what does organism do? Egestion में wastages को बाहर निकाला जाता था. The process by which wastages of metabolic functions are taken out of body is called egestion. So चाहे अमीबा और चाहे ह्यूमन में न्यूट्रिशन हो रही हो, 5 steps are required. First, ingestion. The second is digestion. The third one is absorption. The fourth one is assimilation. And fifth one is egestion. Before going into the nutrition in the organism, you should remember these 5 steps of the nutrition. Okay? So, thank you.